Providing a breakdown of the COVID-19 cases on record in the country on Monday during his daily update was Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony, who highlighted that more than 7,000 children are on record as contracting the disease.
Since the pandemic started, to now, 7,831 pediatric cases. Most of these cases have been mild, so they don't require hospitalization, but unfortunately we've had 55 persons coming into the hospital, and of these 55 persons we would have had 17 deaths.
Over the past 2 weeks, Guyana has seen a massive decline in active cases, which now stand at 5,495. In December last, when the Omicron variant was first suspected by health authorities, active cases had peaked to 14,000. However, since the implementation of the new testing guidelines, lower daily case counts have become the norm again. The country has witnessed at least 2 major waves since the pandemic started, that of Delta and now Omicron. The Omicron phenomenon presented a mad rush for persons who were exposed to get tested, resulting in testing sites becoming overcrowded. Government's quick fix to that situation was to restrict non-hospitalized persons from accessing the PCR tests and making the antigen test accessible to symptomatic persons, even though it has been said that people infected with the Omicron variant are likely to not experience symptoms. Of that 5,495 current active cases, 99 are hospitalized and 17 are in the intensive care unit. While the ministry continues to register a slow uptake of COVID-19 vaccines among adolescents, the minister said that they are actively pursuing vaccines for children between the ages of 5 to 11 through CARICOM.
We have made known how much of these vaccines we would need for our population, and we are anxiously awaiting for those negotiations to be completed for us to get an understanding of when we can access those vaccines.
He made another appeal for parents to consent to their children receiving the vaccines.
We're really appealing to parents to give that consent so that we can protect your child. We want to have more programs in the school system to make sure that we can do the vaccination, but we can only give these vaccines if the child comes back with permission to say that they have received parental consent.
For the 12 to 17 age cohort, just 32,873 persons have received first doses, while second doses amount to 23,383. Temika Rodney reporting for the HTP Nightly News.